Welcome to the Key Largo Condominium, Unit D, on South Padre Island. This townhouse-style condo is located directly on the beach. The main living area is on the second floor, which provides a stunning view of the Gulf of Mexico. This north corner unit provides great views and lots of natural light. The dining area has a water view and a gorgeous coastal-themed chandelier. The updated kitchen has quartz countertops, tile backsplash, high-end stainless steel appliances including a convection oven and induction range, stylish light fixtures, a spacious pantry, and an island with plenty of storage and a prep sink. The kitchen has access to a west-facing balcony. The second floor also has a convenient half bath. The entire third floor is dedicated to the master suite. The master bedroom has access to a large east-facing balcony that provides an amazing ocean view. The master bath features a jetted tub, walk-in tiled shower, 2 sinks and vanity area, and a custom master closet. The first floor has an inviting entry and a 2-car garage with workshop area and plenty of room to store all of your beach toys. Each of the 2 guest bedrooms has an ocean view. They share a full bath. There is a convenient laundry area and ample shelving and storage. Additional features of this condo include storm shutters, security system, and a sound system. Condo amenities include a gated entry, pool, and hot tub. Put Key Largo Unit D on your must-see list today.